how to protect your passwords stored in an online password manager. Now, this is going to be Google Chrome if you have a Gmail. This is going to be Microsoft Edge if you have a Microsoft account. This is going to be Mozilla Firefox if you have a Mozilla account, or any other password manager you may be using to remember your passwords without you physically remembering your passwords. Now, what I'm going to show you, you have to be consistent about doing it. Because if you screw it up even one time, then you have to recover your account and you may not remember the correct password and it gets all sorts of ugly. So if you do this you have to apply consistently. Now, what you're seeing here is me changing the password on a Google account that I have. So I've got the new password in, and I'm going to change the password. Now, from here, it's going to vary from site to site, but it may ask you to log out of all other devices. It may ask you to, confirm that your password has been changed. It might want you to confirm like a recovery email address, you update your phone number, and so on and so forth. If that is the case, verify all that information and make sure it's up to date and correct. Phone numbers are very important to getting two-step authentication codes. So the next thing you do is sign out and immediately sign back in. That makes sure that your password is good. Now you're going to find your password manager in whatever browser that you're using, or if you're using a standalone one, find that list of passwords. Find the site that you just changed the password for and you want to edit. Now here's where the consistency comes in. You have to do this to every password consistently. So in my case, I'm going to count 4 passwords over, or 4 characters over 4. So there's 4 in front, and I'm just going to put a random letter in there. And then I'm going to save it. Why do I do that? Because if someone breached my Google account and they have access to my password manager, the password manager has the wrong password. But I remember that I go to character number 5 and I delete that one character and my password works. Now you could choose whatever position you want to put that character in. It can be the last one, it can be the first one. If you want to remember that it's always the 5th character of the password you have to delete, that's fine as long as you're consistent and you remember to always do it. Again, this is because if your account is ever compromised and they can access your password manager to get into every other account that you have saved in your password manager, none of your passwords work.